Hey guys, today I'm going to solve this day 3 question of 30 days challenge in the month of April of Leetcode. So every day they are going to upload one video, and we have to submit the correct solution in 24 hours for that particular problem. So in this question, this is the third day. You can check out my previous two videos where I've solved the questions, the problems for single number and happy number. Uh, Today's question is maximum subarray. Uh, so let's get started. In this question, we are given integer array nums, and we have to find a continuous subarray containing at least one number which has the largest sum and return its sum. So we have to find a contiguous subarray. Continuous subarray. It doesn't matter in this case. Contiguous subarray containing at least one number. The subarray has to contain at least one number, and the subarray has to contain the largest sum uh, of the entire array, and we have to return the value of the sum. So what we are going to do is in this question we can check out this example. So let's say forget about the rest of the array. When you look at -2, there is a possibility that this number is going to be our maximum sum. But when you look at 1, what you'll find is now the number has improved. If we take sub array -2 and 1, the maximum sum that we can obtain in this case is going to be -1. That is obviously better than what was obtained previously. Now, if we include -3, this subarray, then our the value actually decreases. In fact, it even becomes negative. So if it becomes negative, then we obviously know that whatever result that was obtained previously, that should be the largest sum. So what we can start off again with 4 as the element. So I'm going to implement something similar. So what I'm going to do is I'll initialize max sum as one of the number, and uh, this will store the maximum sum that is obtained so far, and this will be our iterating sum, so that will store the current sum. So what I'm going to do is let's iterate through the entire array. Num start length. So for every element, what we are going to do, instead of initializing maxsum to 0, what I'm going to initialize it is with the minimum value that we can obtain. And during our comparison, what we'll find is any element will obviously greater than the minimum value of that is possible for integer. I'm assuming there's not going to be an overflow in this case. So let's start off with that. So what I'm going to do is in our current sum, I'll be adding whatever value is present at the ith index, and I'm going to then check if the current sum become more than the max sum, which will obviously be true for the first element, and from there on we can start, we can continue. So in that case, what you would want is to update the maximum to whatever is the value for the current sum. Now the other scenario where this would not be happening is uh, if uh, if our current sum becomes negative. So in that case, what we'll do is reset the current sum value to 0. Okay, and at the end of the loop, whatever value is present in the max sum, that should be our answer. So now there is one catch here. What if I had written else if instead of writing a separate if? That would not work for if all the elements in the array are going to be negative. So you should check it out. You can try it out with a different value. Let's run it and check. Okay, so this works for our case, and let me submit and check we have if we are better than most of our solution competitors. Yeah, so we are in top 100%. Our runtime beats almost all the Java solutions. So thank you guys for I'll be uploading the day 4 challenge, which is not yet uploaded here. So I'll be solving that day 4 challenge and uploading a video for the same. So if you want to be notified whenever I upload, whenever I am able to solve that particular challenge, do like and subscribe. Click on that bell icon, and you'll be notified about whenever I upload any of the videos. So thank you.